going on, guys? So today, a little something different. We are going to show you my favorite and easiest recipe to cook trout or salmon. And this is a 1-ingredient recipe. Get ready. This is going to be awesome. There's my son Cam, he's hiding. All right, away from the grill, little buddy. All right, so what I have here is 2 nice looking salmon fillets. This is some Spice Supreme Cajun seasoning. This is all you need. Ready? Pop it open. Load it up. A ton of it. Get it covered. All I have here is some olive oil in a pan on the grill. I'm gonna take my fillets here. I'm gonna put them face down in the olive oil. Now let's get a little bit more seasoning on this one here. Let's cover it. Cover that son of a gun, right, Cam?
Yes, you can say that.
I guess you can say that. All right, and then we're gonna put this one right down in there. Make sure that grease is hot. Cook these face down for a couple minutes. And then when you're done, flip them over and finish them off. They're gonna be nice and crispy. Perfect quick meal, one recipe. Can't get much easier than that, huh? All right, so they're cooking probably about 3 or 4 minutes each side. They take very little time to cook, which is perfect because no one has time for that. Take a look. And there you have it, 2 perfectly cooked Cajun salmon steaks.